Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Newfoundland Labrador Fair. What is this fair? What is the pathway through which one can come to Canada? And I will tell you the process step by step. This is a good program through which you can get a job. I will tell you the process step by step. I will also tell you how to upload your CV and which template to use. I will also tell you this. A lot of friends have been messaging me for a long time to make a video on Newfoundland and Labrador and inform us about the reality and truth of it. What are the charges for it? Who will have to take help for it? What will have to do? What will not have to do? So according to my research, I have done a lot of research on it. I am telling you that this is a good program through which you can talk to all the employers one-on-one, you can talk to them, give them your resume and get a job. And I will tell you the process step by step. Its last date is January 24th, 2024. First of all, you can register for it. And I am telling you again, you do not need to pay a rupee for it. I will tell you all the things step by step about how you have to register for this whole process, how you have to make a resume. I will share the resume template with you and how you have to submit it in the end. I will tell you all this in today's video. As soon as you copy and paste the link, this link is present in the description of this video. When you copy and paste it from there, this page will come here. It says Newfoundland Labrador and this is its official page of Immigration Virtual Fair. You don't have to go to any other page. You don't have to search from Google. No, you have to copy and paste the same link so that you reach correctly. Because there are many such fake websites available from where you can be harmed. So you have to come to this virtual immigration fair and you can see it written here, Virtual Immigration Fair Middle East and South Asia. South Asia means Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, all these South Asian countries come. And in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, all these come in it. So after that, if you look below, its final date is coming. The date of this immigration fair is January 24th, 2024 that is, it will happen on January 24th, 2024, you are looking below, register now and log in. I will tell you the whole process of how to register, we will go step by step. But the thing is, what is the objective? Why attend? First of all, receive direct access to employers hiring in your field. You will get direct access, without agent, you can contact direct employers and there will be contact. Apart from that, all the employers present there will not only be able to see your resume, but will also be able to conduct an interview with you. They can call you networking with employers, you can make a network with those employers, you can develop a contact with the employers after that, you will upload your resume, which employers can review. You can upload your resume so that employers can see it after that if you attend it, the immigration program, immigration officers will also be there to answer your questions. Apart from this, learn about the steps to immigrate to Newfoundland and Labrador. You will be told about the steps. How you can immigrate and you must know all the steps. After that, learn about what it is like to live in Newfoundland and Labrador, in terms of cost of living, lifestyle, jobs, salaries, population size and much more. By attending this fair, you will get all this. There is an agenda, there are speakers and there are some speakers whose names are mentioned, you can also see them. You can see the timing, everything is available here. Now let's come to register now. How do you want to register for this? This is very important, remember that there is no fee for this, you just need your resume and you have to fill this document. First of all, let's come to the Attendee Registration Form. What do you have to mention in the form which you are filling out? The first thing is your first name. You have to write your first name here. Then comes your last name. Then comes your citizenship. Which country is your citizenship? When you open this side arrow, a lot of countries will open up. So whichever country you are from, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, you will click on it. Then your country of citizenship will appear here. Similarly, you go to the second one. Select country of residence. Some people have different country of residence. Their citizenship is from another country but they are living in some other country, then you can fill it up here and click on the side arrow. Then what is your education level? If you don't have a secondary education, if you have a bachelor's degree, if you have a higher non-university degree, if you have a certificate diploma, if you have an apprenticeship in trade, if you have a graduation, master's, doctorate, you will mention your level of education here, so that they will know how much education you have. Then come to the work experience. Administrative, agriculture, aquaculture, automotive and construction. Construction is very important, and similarly, you can see that if anyone comes in this or there is someone else besides that, which is not given in this, then you can mention it here in this row. You have to mention your experience. There is hospitality, information technology, manufacturing, skilled trade, social work, transportation, whatever it is. You have to mention it. After that, you come to NLCX. This is for nursing. Basically, if you have done nursing, then yes or no, you will do it. If you have done it, then you will specify what you have done. If you haven't done it, then that too, because there is a very good demand for nursing. Come to the language. If you are fluent in English, then you have to say yes or no. Even if you are not, and if you have given any test, any proficiency test, English test or IELTS, CAEL, CELPEP, or whatever you have given, then you can mention it. Similarly, you can speak French. If you are fluent, yes or no, whatever your answer will be, it will come, and if you have given an exam, then you will mention it. Okay, after that it is very important that from which country have you obtained post-secondary education. Sometimes people have obtained it from some other countries. For instance, if you know from Pakistan, India, and he has obtained education from Canada, the United States or the UK, then he can mention it. After that, what questions do you have living in Newfoundland and Labrador? You have to ask those 3 questions, whatever you think is appropriate. These questions will be in your mind. And similarly, what are you hoping to gain from attending this virtual event? What do you want to achieve from this event? Those are also 3 of your responses. That what is your expectation? Do you want a job, immigration, or do you want to live? Do you want to understand the process? So you have to give all these responses. After that, you have to come. How did you come to know about this? Did you come to know from a person, from social media, or from word of mouth? How did you come to know? That when people were talking, they said to attend. After that, CV. Most important part of this fair is resume or CV. You have to submit your resume, and a very good thing about this is that there is a resume template. I will discuss the resume template in detail. Now let's come to the CV template. You have to fill out your CV according to this, what things to put and what not to put. This is a very important thing. And how do you have to fill it and upload it? All right. What things not to put? You don't have to put your picture, and you don't have to put your date of birth. You don't have to put your marital status, you don't have to put your religion. And what things to put? You have to put your name, phone number, address, email. After that, you have to put your professional summary. What do you have and why should we select you? The employer wants to see what you say. Why are you best for him? So you have to elaborate a little about yourself. You have to tell what are the good things in you because of which you should be preferred over others. After that comes your skills. What kind of skills do you have? What are the soft skills? What are the hard skills? How is your communication? You have to mention all these things in it. After that, how are you regarding teamwork? What is your language? You have to tell this in it. Work experience, you have to include this, and this is very important. What are you doing now? What did you do last year? What did you do before that? You have to go backwards, that is, you don't have to start from 25 years and go down. You have to mention this top down. After that, the procedure of education is the same. In work experience, I will tell you one more thing. Not only do you have to mention that, but you also have to mention the title of the recent job. After that, you come to education. You have to top down education. That is, if a person has graduated, then graduation will come first. After that, whatever will come after that will come. After that, if you have done any professional certification, then you have to mention that too. Now let's come to the template that is coming. Now see this template. This is a very important template. You have to keep it carefully. Your name is on it, family name, city, country, telephone number. You have to write with the code your email address. After that, I am saying again and again that this is a very important thing. This is the template that is used again and again. It can be used in every fair, especially in Canada. You have to write a summary work experience, date, everything in it. You just have to put data in the template. You have to put data and job titles. Education came like this. Then at the end, what are your relevant skills? What skills do you have? Whenever you want to send a CV to a Canadian employer, use this template and don't use any other old 20 to 25-year-old resume. They have given this on their official website. Now let's see what you have to do. Go to choose file and attach with it. Then you wrote I am not a robot. Now when you click on it, after clicking, the submit button has come. When you have uploaded the file from the submit button, you have put your things in it. You are not a robot. When you press the submit button, this file will be submitted. There are no charges for it, and for such a small job, you don't have to pay anyone a single dollar or a penny. You can do all this work yourself. You don't need any agent for this. Whatever speciality or anything you have, do mention it here, and there is a lot of hope that if you have made a good resume, if you have a relevant experience, then you can get an employer of your choice, and if you get a job, then your future path will be very easy. This is a great fair. In this fair you can talk and meet to real original employers without paying. You can get an interview chance, you can get a job, and in the future your PR pathway can also be completed. If you liked the video, like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you so much. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care.